No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know when I upload my next one. So no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. You know, people can try and do anything to break you down. People can try their absolute best to destroy your character, do certain actions that make you angry, to do anything they can to get under your skin, you know. But the minute you decide to let them define who you are, the minute you let them decide to judge you, the minute you accept what they're trying to portray as, then you've given them permission to judge you. You've given them permission to make you feel inferior, to make you feel like you're any less deserving than they are. Remember, you're in control of how you react to people's actions. You're in control of who you let in your life and who gets to have access to your true authentic self. If you let people point out your flaws and you let people get under your skin, then you will never really truly be the best version of yourself, because you're letting people define who you are. You know, never let them decide who you should be. You should only let your conscious decide that. Your conscious really knows who you are and what you stand for. If someone portrays you as the worst possible person, you know deep down whether you fit that stereotype. You know deep down whether you're that kind of person. If your conscious isn't clear, then maybe they're right, but at the end of the day, you know who you are, you know what you stand for, you know who you should be and where you should be. The minute people see that you're doing well, they'll try and pick you apart. People that know that you're doing better than them, they feel threatened by what you have to offer. They just feel threatened by your presence. They're very insecure about how they look, so they try and deflect that on you. Remember to not let that be your definition of who you are. Other people's opinions of who you are is their problem, it's their business. You know deep down who you are and what you stand for. Don't let people make you feel inferior for what you have to offer. Don't let people take away your joy. You know what you stand for. You will never really be the person you're meant to be if you're always taking into account other people's emotions. You're taking into account what people think of you. It doesn't matter. Do you. Do what you enjoy. Do what you love. Don't let them try and tear you down, because the minute you allow people to do that, you're not going to get up. You're not going to be the best version of yourself, because you're trying to conform into being that person that they're saying you are. You know, there's this thing where people label you as a horrible person, and eventually you start to give in and think, well, you already think this, so I might as well be that way, you know. And at the end of the day, it takes away from who you are, from what you stand for, and for being your authentic self. Don't let people choose who you become. Don't let people choose, you know, your destiny or choose your path. You're in control of that. You're in control of emotions. And you know, remember that anytime someone tries to make you feel inferior, someone tries to make you feel insecure, you're better than them. They're most likely deflecting their insecurities on you, and the minute you tend to be upset by what someone thinks of you, then you've let them win, then you've let them in. So decide that you know who you are, what you stand for, and you're not going to let anyone else make you feel inferior. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.